Under our feet, a secret world thrives. Ants, those tiny creatures we often overlook, have a complex communication system. They talk, they strategize, they make decisions. But they don't use words like us. Ants communicate through a fascinating mix of chemical signals, body language, and touch. This hidden language allows them to work together. They build elaborate nests, find food, and even wage wars. Imagine a world without words. How would you tell others about danger? How would you work together to build a home? Ants have solved these problems. They have evolved a way to communicate that is both efficient and powerful. Their success lies in their ability to act as a collective. Each ant plays a role in the colony's survival. By understanding ant communication, we gain a glimpse into the remarkable world of social insects. Ants live in a world of smells. They smell more than they see. Pheromones are the key. These chemical signals are how ants talk to each other. Pheromones are like invisible messages. Ants release them into the air. Other ants detect these scents with their antennae. The message is received. Different pheromones convey different messages. Danger, food, here, follow me. It's all communicated through these powerful scents. Think of it like leaving a trail of breadcrumbs. But instead of breadcrumbs, it's a trail of scent. This allows ants to follow each other. It's how they find food sources and return to the nest. Ants may be small, but their body language speaks volumes. They use their antennae, heads, and even their entire bodies to communicate. Ants touch antennae to greet each other. It's a way of sharing information quickly. They can tell friend from foe with a simple touch. Head movements also play a role. An ant might bob its head to get attention, or it might shake its head to signal danger. Even their posture can convey meaning. An ant standing tall might be showing dominance. An ant cowering low might be submitting to a higher-ranking individual. Touch is another important way ants communicate. They use their legs, feet, and mandibles to send signals. Ants often tap each other with their antennae or legs. This can be a way of getting attention or giving directions. For example, an ant might tap another ant to say, "Follow me to the food source," or it might tap to warn of danger. Ants also use their mandibles to communicate. They might gently bite or nip another ant to get its attention. This is often seen during tasks like carrying larvae or moving nest materials. Section 5, Stigmergy, the power of indirect communication. Ants don't always communicate directly with each other. They also use a fascinating concept called stigmergy. Stigmergy is like leaving a message in the environment. It's indirect communication. Ants change their environment to communicate with each other. Think of it like this. An ant leaves a pheromone trail to a food source. Other ants follow the trail, reinforcing it with their own pheromones. This creates a clear path that other ants can easily follow. The environment becomes a type of communication board. Ants write messages on this board by changing the environment. This allows them to coordinate their actions without ever having to meet face to face. Section 6, Specialized messages from rescue to warfare. Ants have developed specialized messages for different situations. They have signals for danger, food discovery, and even warfare. When an ant finds a large food source, it releases a specific pheromone. This tells other ants to come and get it. The stronger the pheromone trail, the more desirable the food source. If an ant is trapped or injured, it releases an alarm pheromone. This alerts nearby ants to come to the rescue. These brave ants will work together to free their comrade. Ants also engage in warfare with rival colonies. They use pheromones to mark their territory and to rally their troops for battle. These chemical warfare tactics can determine the victor in these tiny battles. Section 7, Emergent Intelligence, the colony as a superorganism. An individual ant may not seem intelligent, but together the colony acts like a single intelligent organism. This is called Emergent Intelligence. The colony can solve complex problems. It can adapt to changing environments. It can even make decisions that benefit the entire group. This collective intelligence arises from the simple interactions between individual ants. Each ant follows a set of basic rules. But when these rules are combined, they create complex and intelligent behavior at the colony level. Think of it like a brain. Each neuron is simple on its own, but together billions of neurons create the human mind. In the same way, millions of ants create the mind of the colony. Section 8. Lessons from the Anthill Human Insights. What can humans learn from ants? Quite a bit. Ants offer valuable insights into cooperation, communication, and problem-solving. Ants understand the power of teamwork. They work together to achieve common goals. They put the needs of the colony above their own. Ants are also masters of communication. They use a variety of methods to convey information quickly and efficiently. They understand the importance of clear and concise messaging. Perhaps most importantly, ants demonstrate the power of emergent intelligence. They show us that complex problems can be solved through simple, decentralized solutions. Section 9. The conclusion, the enduring mystery of ant communication. The world of ant communication is complex and fascinating. While we have learned much about their chemical signals, body language, and collective behavior, many mysteries remain. How do ants develop specialized roles within the colony? How do they adapt their communication strategies to changing environments? And what other secrets lie hidden within their intricate social structures? Further research into ant communication promises to reveal even more about these remarkable creatures and the intricate societies they build. By studying their hidden language, we may even gain insights into our own communication and social behavior.